Ticwatch Pro 5 is Mobile's newest addition to their lineup, and here are some cool tips, tricks, and features, so let's get started. The first cool tip has to do with the Rotatable Crown. Normally, when you scroll up and down from your watch face, you will either get to your notifications or to your quick panel. But if you head over into the general settings of your smartwatch, you can toggle on the horizontal scroll to tiles. Now, if you want to scroll with the crown, it's not going to take you to your quick panel or notifications anymore. It will now scroll through your tiles instead. The next one is more of a comfort feature. Some people like to have their sound turned on. So if you get a call, you have a ringtone, but you can actually change this one in your sound settings. Over here, scroll all the way down and click on Watch Ringtone. And right here, you have a choice of 11 different ringtones. You have some very basic ringtones, ringtones, but also some melodies and songs. Now, my favorite feature on smartwatches is that you can store music on them and listen to them offline. The Ticwatch Pro 5 runs on Wear OS 3.0, and you get the Google Play Store, on which you can download YouTube Music, Amazon Music, and Spotify. Now, if you have a premium account and connect the watch to your smartphone, you can start to download all of your favorite tracks, playlists, and podcasts right to the watch. You have 32 gigs of internal storage, which is more than enough room for all of your music tracks. On the Ticwatch Pro 5, you get quite a few watch faces by default. You get some digital and analog watch faces, but if you head over into the mobile health app, you get plenty more watch faces. For some, you have to pay a few bucks, but there are also a lot of watch faces that doesn't cost anything. The best part of the watch faces is that they are customizable. Only to a certain amount, but still you get a few features. It always depends on the watch face that you're on. On some you can change the colors and the display metrics, and on some you can only change the complications. The Ticwatch Pro 5 has a cool feature, and that is that you can change between the AMOLED touch display and the ultra low power display. Not only does this one save a whole lot of your battery life, but in this mode you can change the backlight colors and you can toggle on the dynamic HR zone backlight. This one is only available in Tic exercises and will change the color according to your heart rate, which is pretty damn cool. For the next tip, you have to get over to the mobile health app. Right here, go into your watch settings and click on System. Over here, you will find an option to take a screenshot of your current watch face, and it will save it right into your picture gallery on your smartphone. Like this, you can quickly share your training results, or if you find a super cool watch face, you can share this one with your friends. Tip number 7 for today are the buttons. You may not know that you can double tap your lower and upper button. Normally you either get to your app menu or get to a list of your recently opened apps. But if you double tap the crown, you will get right back to the recently opened app, and the upper one will open up your Google Wallet.